Hey friends, welcome to Stop Wishing, Start Playing, Beginning Piano Study for Teens and Adults. My name is Diana Marie, and I'll be your teacher and guide through learning the basics of piano playing. You might have said, I wish I played, I wish I never quit, or I wish I had the time, and I'm here to tell you it is possible. So grab your book, linked in the description box below. Be sure to like and subscribe this video so that you get notifications of all the upcoming lessons. And also join us either on our wait list or jump right into the course if you're after November 1st, 2023. I'd love to have you there. Let's get started with today's lesson. Here on page 8, they start out with your distance, your hand position, followed by your posture. Each of these seem very simple, yet they have a big impact on your playing. Be sure to take a moment, go through each of those areas, and ensure that you have it down before moving on. All right, my friends. So now on page 9, you'll see our finger numbers. Now, this might seem elementary, but believe it or not, finger numbers are something that will carry us all through our piano study from beginner all the way up through advanced music. So let's get to know these finger numbers really quickly. The cool thing about it is our hands are mirrors to one another. So your thumbs are one, your twos are your pointers, threes, fours, and fives. Now, the more we play along with finger numbers, the easier it's going to get for you to follow along as well. On page 10, you also have a diagram that now shows you the high and the low of the keyboard. I want you just to have some fun with it. Get your ear used to high and low, and then loud and soft. In piano, F means loud, while P means to play softly. Just as you see, I want you to try it out a few times on your own as well. Okay, now we're going to move into the first section where we'll play the first page only. I do recommend that you say those finger numbers while you play out loud. It's just this mind-body connection that's going to help learn our finger numbers a little bit faster. So let's go ahead and play this through together. 1, 2, 3, ready, play. Left hand, 3, right hand, 1, hold. 3, 1, 3, hold, you got it. 2, 1, hold left hand. 2, 3, hold. 3, right hand, 1, hold. 3, 1, 3, hold. 2, 5, hold, 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 hold. Okay, now pause. Go ahead, play that through a couple times and come on back. Let's move on now to the second page. Starting with your right hand on 3. 1, 2, right hand, play. 3, 5, hold. 5, 3, 1, hold. Left hand. 3, 2, hold right hand. 1, left, 2, 3. You got it. Bottom page. 3, right hand, 1, hold. 3, 1, 3, hold. 2, 1, hold, 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 hold. Now go ahead, pause the video, practice through just the second page. Come on back, we'll put it together. All right, my friends, let's go for it. We're going to go from the beginning to the end. How you doing? Pretty good? I'm sure. All right, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, ready, play. Left hand. 3, 1, hold. 3, 1, 3, hold. 2, 1, hold. Left hand. 2, 3, hold. You got it. Left hand. 3, right hand. 1, hold, 3, 1, 3, hold, 2, 5, hold, hold, hold. Here we go. Second page. 3, 5, hold, 5, 3, 1, hold. Left hand. 3, 2, hold. Right hand. 1, 2, 3. Back to the left. 3, right hand. 1, hold. 3, 1, 3, hold. 2, 1, hold, 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 hold. All right, you got this. Our final pause and practice time. Go ahead and put the whole song together and come on back. Hey friends, thanks for joining me today for today's class. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video so that you are notified for upcoming lessons, as well as joining us in the full course, Stop Wishing, Start Playing, that you can find the link to down below. Can't wait to journey alongside you. Have an incredible rest of your day. Bye.